Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is on the current iOS and signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This takes you directly to payment and contact preferences. You need the new shipping address and a contact name ready because you will enter it exactly as merchants expect. Make sure location services and contacts access are allowed for Wallet. This helps autofill and avoids mismatches. Now tap Shipping Address to begin editing and adding the new contact. Next, choose Shipping Address inside Wallet and Apple Pay and either edit an existing contact or tap Add New Contact. You should type the street, apartment, city, state, zip, and country exactly to prevent merchant rejections. Postal formats matter. Enter a reachable phone and current email because merchants may use them for delivery updates. Once the fields are correct, tap Done and then enable use this address for shipping so Apple Pay will suggest it during checkout. This fixes mismatches during. To finish, test the change by making a small purchase in an app or Safari that supports Apple Pay and select your updated shipping contact at checkout. If the new address does not appear, make sure contacts are synced to iCloud, then restart your device and revisit Wallet and Apple Pay to confirm. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and finally contact Apple support with your Apple ID and device model. That helps them trace syncing or server-side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.